Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to on time tracker on ClickUp. So first thing that you will do guys is simply go to your workspace on ClickUp, and now from here on the left side you will have spaces over here, and just simply select a specific folder and just simply select a specific project that you have on a certain folder. And now from here, as you can see, you will have the list of tasks over here, and now you can change these ones over here, the title of the project. And let's say I'm going to go for task 2 over here, and after that, as you can see, you will have here track time. So from here guys, once you want to start the task over here, you could just simply go ahead and select this one, and from here you should be able to work on the project, and you should be able to track the time. And after that, when you go want to stop, you can just simply stop the timer, and there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below. And thanks for watching.